Hey everyone, it's Aurelie from Imagine Web Design. I'm going to show you today how you can create some cool border styling for your inline images. This is just a screenshot of what I've done, but now I'm going to show you how you can do that through CSS so it applies to all of your images. All right, let's jump in. So first of all, let me just edit this section. I don't need it anymore. Remove. Here we go. We're going to start working from this section. The inline images, just in case you're not sure what that means. When you add an image to your website, you can select the type of design you want to apply to it. So right now, the inline is selected. So that's what I mean by inline image. If you click here, you have other selections. The code that I'm going to give you today is just for inline. Okay? Let me just save this. All right. Then in order to style this image, you will need to go in your CSS code. So click design, custom CSS, and here we're going to add a piece of code. So the one I was showing you right now is this one right here. Let me add it right here. There you go. As you can see, let me remove it real quick. This is the image before, and once I add the code, this is the styling. So you can play with the color. Right now, I used these two colors. So the linear gradient is to right. That means it goes from left to right. If I remove this, just so you can see, it changes completely the way the border looks. Also cool, but interesting and good to know for you guys. Let me put it back. So the first color in the gradient is a darker pink, and the second right here is a lighter pink. I am stopping it at 60%, and the rest of the border is white. That's what that means. If I was to remove this white, this is what it looks like. And if I remove the 60%, it changes a little bit again. So you can really play with that if you want the gradient to be a little different and change a little bit earlier. If I put 20%, for example, as you can see, it adds more of the light color. The light gradient starts earlier. If I put a larger percentage, it changes where the light gradient starts. Another thing you can play with is the thickness of your border. So this one is very thick, but of course you can make it a lot thinner. So right here, I put only 10 pixels, but you can really do what you want. If you want to put 50%, that's fine too. And let's just say I want to add again the white at the end. This is how you would do it. So I can change that again to 60, for example. And here you go, 20%. So you can really play with it and make it look cool for your website. And this will apply to all of the inline images that you have on your site. If you want to have different colors or different looks based on the page, then you will have to use a different code. All right, I hope this was helpful. Enjoy!